Business owners and veterans groups rallied at the Capitol today with supporters of skills games, calling for fair regulation of the industry. Fox 43's James Corrigan spoke with groups who are concerned after a state Supreme Court decision threatens to make the games illegal.
No deal, we're for real!
No deal, we're for real! Chants from the steps of the Capitol were directed at those inside by supporters of skill games who rallied for what they say is fair regulation and taxation of the industry. The state Supreme Court ruled last Tuesday that the machines were in fact gambling under the law and illegal in much of the state, with small business owners and veterans groups standing to lose significant revenue without the games.
If it wasn't for skill games during the COVID, our business, our Legion would have been shut down, along with many, many more that are out there.
Lawmakers from both parties spoke, all having received significant campaign contributions from the skill games industry through Peso-Matic.
Skill games should operate under no tax and no regulation because they're not gambling.
This number of state representatives and state senators are going to block a budget. There is no deal without us.
The games have drawn controversy due to the criminal incidents taking place around the machines, along with its prominence in public places. State Senator Chris Gebhardt has pushed for regulation and says he is mindful of the nonprofits that need the revenue, along with the public safety aspect of the issue.
You just need to talk to law enforcement. They'll tell you that crime absolutely just follows these machines where they go, and it's something we certainly need to address.
The court's 120-day grace period for the games to operate creates an urgency for regulation to happen, with groups like PA TAP hoping for a reprieve for businesses and Senate leaders saying that it's time to bring all the proposals together to find a solution.
It's hard to grow a business, it's hard to stay in business, and without the support of skill games, it's going to be even harder.
You've seen so many different ideas that ultimately it's going to be reliant on the people in this building to decide what we all think is best for the people of Pennsylvania.
And the clock is ticking for lawmakers. Just 6 days until the budget deadline and 113 days before skill games becomes illegal. Lawmakers say progress is being made on both fronts, but today's rhetoric from the rally could threaten to throw a wrench into what's otherwise been a smooth budget process. James Corrigan, Fox 43 News.